Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
If your iPhone or iPad shows a black screen, start with power and charging checks. Plug the device into a charger and leave it for 30 minutes before trying again. Check the Lightning or USB-C cable for damage and try a known good charger. For iPhone 8 and later, press volume up then volume down, then hold the side button for 10 seconds. For iPads with a home button, hold home and top buttons together for 15 seconds until the logo appears. For Macs, methodical resets resolve many black screen causes. Reset the SMC on MacBooks by holding Control, Option, Shift, and the power button for 10 seconds. For desktop Macs, unplug power for 15 seconds then reconnect and wait 10 seconds before powering on. Reset NVRAM by restarting and holding Option, Command, P and R for 20 seconds. Boot into safe mode by holding Shift at startup to check software and driver conflicts. If simple fixes fail, move to advanced recovery carefully and back up if possible. Use DFU mode for iPhones when recovery mode fails to reinstall firmware safely. Connect the device to a computer with the latest iTunes or Finder and follow prompts to restore. Restore Macs from Internet recovery by holding Command and R during startup to reinstall Mac OS. If hardware appears faulty, book a Genius Bar or authorized service appointment for diagnostics and mention battery or display issues explicitly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.